the last video I did on this one, it was kind of just cool shots of it, which I love this thing. First of all, it looks really, really good. I never really talked about how you kind of set it up, but under the hood pops open and you can actually, you have a little battery that goes in and you charge that battery up. That comes with all the USB to battery chargers. And then you pop it in there, you plug it in and you pop it into your hood and you close the hood, get it nice in there. You know, I also love how they have like a tire on the back. It's like a spare tire and you got your tires all around. You can see the suspension on it. It's really nice. The other part is the remote. And also the batteries do last a long time. It takes AA batteries in here and you turn it on, it connects immediately. I love how when you turn it on, it gives you a little, lets you know on the lights on the front. See that little flashes? And then it's really simple to use. First of all, you have this wheel right here, which is how you say which way you want it to go. If you look at the wheels, they turn with that. And then you push the trigger to go forward, and then you push the trigger the other way to go backwards. And so it makes it and that's fast too. So it's like, and then it is, oh, like that. But other than that, I love the lights as well. So when I go forward, you can see the lights go on. And I think even, there's indicator lights too. Yeah, so if I go left and right, I should say. It's a really great product. Highly recommend it. It's very fun, and thanks for watching.